Hello everyone, Cody here with another video. Today we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing video. Now, again, as I'm replenishing my fragrance collection, one of the things that I did was I gave my wife a list of Creed fragrances, Creed's, Tom Ford's, that she could get me if she was in New York. Now, my wife actually has to travel back to New York City, probably about maybe twice or once every month, roughly, or so for like 2 or 3 days. And during this time, I essentially gave her a list of those fragrances. And for the House of Creed specifically, I gave her the fragrance list consisted of Royal Oud, Royal Water, Virgin Island Water, Millésime Imperial. God, what else was on that list? Aventus was on that list. Original Vetiver was on that list. Basically, there was a lot of Creeds that were on that list. But she ended up getting one for me, and that is the unboxing one for here. Now, of that list of fragrances that I gave her, the funny thing was, in the back of my head, I'm thinking, you know what? I give her this list. Whoever the sales rep is going to look at this fragrance or fragrance list and instantly pick one out. Like, I was almost 99% sure that I knew which Creed I was going to get back if I gave her that list, but I was just curious, so that's why I just let it go. Even though of that list there was two fragrances that I definitely wanted to be a priority, but I chose not to do that just because I'm curious what route the sales rep would actually steer her in. So anyways, so here is the Creed and the fragrance that I'm going to give you a second. Go ahead, guess what it is you think that they recommended and she eventually got. And here it is. It is Aventus from the House of Creed. Now, it's funny. I'm laughing because in my mind, again, I was instantly thinking they're going to recommend Aventus to her. Like, they're just going to steer her in Aventus. They're going to be like, oh, yeah, this is the best one that you can get. And, you know, everyone loves this. I freaking knew it. I was just really curious since I'm going to get some of them anyway. Like the ones that I wanted actually to pick up here because I think they are actually better for this particular climate. I like Virgin Island Water. And Millésime Imperial. I think those two pair really well. And Royal Water, sorry, and actually three. I think those three are really good for here. But I was just curious since I'm probably going to be in New York City in the next month or so. And so I'm probably just going to pick those three up. We'll see how it actually goes. So, yeah. Aventus. Yeah, man. It's back in my collection. Yeah. It's good. It's good to be back though, despite my initial claims. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. So I'm spraying it because I'm trying to. It's like. I sense a slight difference in the version. Sorry, I sense a slight difference in the version that I had before for it, but I'll have to spend a little bit more time with it. I had one of the earliest versions of Aventus that actually came out. I forgot which number it was. I'll have to see if I look it up anywhere. Anyways, Creed's Aventus. We'll see what else actually comes up in the list of fragrances that I'm going to go ahead and get. All right. Thank you guys. Take care of yourselves. You guys have a great day.